Hi guys, welcome to One Third channel. This is my second video about C in introduction. So I already told I am using C in depth book for my reference. You can download this book from my description. I provide a link in description. So open that link and download this book. So in this scene introduction second video, now we are discussing about programming languages. So what is programming language and what are the different type of programming languages? Before learning any language, it is important to know about the various type of languages and their features. It is interesting to know what were the basic requirements of the program and what difficulties they faced with the existing languages. The programming language can be classified into two types: low level language and high level language. Low level language. The language in this category are the machine level language and assembly language. Machine level language. Computer can understand only digital signals which are in binary digits, that is 0 and 1. So computer can understand 0 and 1 only. So the instructions given to the computer can be only in binary codes. The machine language consisting of instructions that are in binary 0 or 1. Computer can understand only machine level language, that is binary language 0 and 1s. Writing a program in machine level language that is difficult task because it is not easy for programmers to write a instruction in binary code. A machine level language program is error prone and its maintenance is very difficult. Furthermore, machine level language programs are not portable. Every computer has its own machine instructions. So the programs written for one computer are not valid for other computers. So conclusion, machine level language is binary language that is in zeros and ones. For writing machine level language, it is very difficult task to programmers. So machine level language is understandable by only computer. So assembly language. The difficulties faced in machine level language were reduced to some extent by using a modified form of machine level language called assembly language. So assembly language is used for modifying machine level language. It is little bit helper to programmer. In assembly language, instructions are given in English like words such as a move, add, sub, etc. So it is easy to write and understand assembly programs. Since a computer can understand only machine level language, in assembly language programs must be translated into machine level language. The translation that is used for translating a is called assembler. The translator that is used for translating is called assembler. So assembler is used for translating assembly language to machine level language. Although writing programs in assembly language is bit easier, but still the programmer has to know all the low level details related with the hardware of computer. In assembly language, data is stored in computer registers and each computer has different set of registers. In the assembly language, program is also not portable. Since the low language are related with the hardware, hence the execution of low level language is faster. So assembly language is bit complicated and bit easy than little bit easier than low level language. So here assembly language we are using English words like move, add, sub, etc. So high level language. High level languages are designed keeping in mind the future of probability. That is, the languages are mission independent. These are English like languages. So it is easy to write and understand the programs of mission independent. So it is easy to write and understand the programs of high level language. While programming high level language, the programmer is not concerned with the low level detail, and so the whole attention can be paid to the logic of the problem being solved. For translating a high level language program into machine level language, compiler or interpreter is used. So compiler used for translating high level programming language into machine level language. Every language has its own compiler or interpreter. Some languages in this category are Fortran, COBOL, Basic, Pascal, etc. So high level language is used for a bit easy language and it is understandable by the programmers. So this is my video about programming languages. Okay friends, if you have any doubts, ask me in comment section. If you like this video, please click on like button. Share this video with your friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay friends, thank you.